In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to duplicate in Figma. By the end, you'll know a quick, reliable way to make copies of anything on your canvas so you can work faster and keep your designs consistent. First, go to Figma and open any design file you'd like to practice in. You can use the desktop app or a browser. Both work the same for what we're doing. Make sure you're on a canvas or inside a frame where you can see at least one object you want to duplicate. If you don't have anything yet, that's fine. A simple shape or a text layer will do. Here's the core technique. Click once to select the object you want to copy. Then hold the Alt key if you're on Windows or the Option key if you're on a Mac. While holding that key, click and drag with your left mouse button. The moment you press Alt or Option, you'll notice the cursor changes to a small duplicate icon, confirming that you're in duplication mode. As you drag, you'll see a live preview of the copy following your cursor. Position it where you want, then release the mouse and finally let go of the key. You've just created a perfect duplicate placed exactly where you dragged it. If you keep holding Alt or Option, you can drag again to make more copies quickly. Figma's smart guides will help you align and evenly space those copies as you move them around. This works beautifully with shapes, whether it's a rectangle, a circle, or a custom vector. Duplicating with Alt or Option and a drag keeps everything intact. Fill colors, strokes, corner radii, and any effects like shadows. It's an easy way to build rows, columns, or quick galleries by repeating a single shape and arranging the copies with consistent spacing. Because the duplicates match the original, you maintain visual consistency without having to recreate styles from scratch. It also works exactly the same for text. Select a text layer, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac, then click and drag to create a new copy. The duplicate preserves the font, size, color, alignment, and any other formatting. After placing your copy, just double-click to edit the wording while keeping the style perfectly consistent. This is great for lists, labels, or repeated headings where you want identical styling with different content. To recap, open your Figma file, select any object, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac, then click and drag to duplicate. It works for shapes and text, and it keeps all your formatting intact. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.